Hey folks, it's Rick and it's Twin Brook Acres. Welcome back. So I'm working on my latest project right here. That's one half of a frame for a swing that I'm making. There's one half there, and the other half right there. And that is for that old chairlift right there from a nearby mountain, from a nearby ski resort. I bought that about 20 years ago, made a frame for it that you can see there, but that was all kiln dried lumber that rotted out. It's been shot for a few years now and I just haven't gotten around to replacing it. But today's the day. So I started this Monday of last week. Today is Friday, May 6th, and then I had to put it on hold because it came down with that nasty germ that's going around, and that laid me down for about 9 or 10 days. I'm still not feeling great. I'm feeling a whole lot better than I did. There were 2 or 3 days where I felt like I had a herd of elephants dancing on my body. So I'm not going to bore you with all the details of assembling the frame and putting it all together. Plus I just want to get this done. I still don't have a lot of energy. So what I've got to do now is I've got 2 pieces together, and then I got to get them over. So I'll take the tractor and bring them over to the where it's going to be assembled, over to where the chairlift is. And then I got a iron bar that runs through that iron bar up on top of the chairlift there. That iron bar will run through that and then through the top of the frames, and then I'll bolt it all in. So that's what I got going on. Let's see what we can get done. I'll bring you back once I've got the frame pretty much assembled.
Mommy asked the same thing. I asked if Papa was gonna paint it.
That. Alright, in this way.
You ready? Want the thing down over you?
Yeah.
He's gonna move over.
Really?
I was just gonna picture it on the leg.
Let's see. Well, he'll just move his leg over. Okay, scooch over one side. I bet you can do that. Look at you. It's relaxing, isn't it? Close your eyes. Come there.
Okay, there's the finished product. Got these old skis on the front legs. Those have been hanging around for a long time, so I figured I'd put them to use. Put the sign up here. Got the iron bar in there for the seat to swing on. So we're good to go. We'll sit out here with our cold drinks, relax on the swing, and look over the garden once that's growing.